Do you ever create a piece of content and then get a little bit scared, or maybe a lot scared, about hitting that publish button and putting it out there for the world to see? Well, if it's not scaring you a little bit, then it's possible that your content is pretty boring. It's safe. And safe doesn't get seen. Safe gets scrolled past. Safe gets ignored. Safe doesn't start conversations. So sometimes it's good to have that little bit of fear that maybe you shouldn't be posting this. And of course, I say this within reason. I don't want you to discriminate against anyone. I don't want you to start arguments. Start discussions, yes, not arguments. But certainly the content that performs best is often the content that we hold back from posting because we're worried about the response. We're worried it's going to spark a big conversation. But that's what we want, right? We want people to engage with our content, to interact with it, to get involved with it. So yes, in some ways our content should scare us a bit. And if it's not scaring us a little bit, we're playing it way too safe.